Beautiful white car, low milligauge. Perfect conditions inside out. Believe me, this car won't last long. Don't miss out on this one, only at www.lecars.com. GET, more solid trucks for less. Northern Auto Traders has become the standard of excellence in pre-owned vehicles. WER60 vehicle luxurious indoor showrooms, so our vehicles are always in pristine condition. They are never exposed to the sun, rain or snow. Buy with confidence. All vehicles are meticulously reconditioned. Finance severity of credit may affect down payment. Internet prices are final. These vehicles are priced to sell. Sales prices do not include used vehicle recon fee, prep, tax, and DMV fees. Thank you for your interest in Northern Auto Traders, and we look forward to seeing you in our showroom.